Khoo is an entrepreneur, a best-selling author, and Asia's #1 success coach. A self-made millionaire by the age of 26, Adam was ranked among the top 1% of academic achievers at the National University of Singapore and was a pioneer in the university's gifted program. For the last 12 years, he has coached and trained over 500,000 people in 7 countries to achieve peak performance in their lives. He is the creator of live transformational programs such as the I Am Gifted program for students and the Patterns of Excellence that empowers working professionals to be among the best in their fields. As a highly successful investor and businessman, he created the Wealth Academy and Millionaire Business Academy to coach individuals to achieve financial success. Adam has helped over 55,000 students to score distinctions in school and develop stronger relationships with their parents. He also trains more than 800 teachers a year in brain-based teaching and classroom management. He has coached top sales professionals, entrepreneurs to turn around their business, and even former bankrupts who have achieved financial freedom. He has worked with over 170 schools, universities, multinational corporations, and government ministries in the area of leadership, organizational turnaround, and the psychology of success. In 2007, Adam was ranked among the top 25 richest Singaporeans under the age of 40. And in 2008, he was conferred the NUS Business School Eminent Alumni Award for being one of Singapore's top business leaders. Adam has authored 10 best-selling books that include I Am Gifted, So Are You, How to Multiply Your Child's Intelligence, Master Your Mind, Design Your Destiny, Secrets of Self-Made Millionaires, Secrets of Millionaire Investors, Clueless in Starting a Business, Nurturing the Winner and Genius in Your Child, Secrets of Building Multi-million-dollar Businesses, and Profit from the Panic. His books have been translated into over 5 different languages and have consistently dominated the national bestsellers list for the last 8 years. His achievements have been consistently featured in every media like the Straits Times, the Business Times, the New Paper, Today, News Radio 938, Channel 8, Channel U, Channel News Asia, The Hindu, The Star, Compass, and Young Parents. And now, here to share with you his strategies and insights, Mr. Adam Khoo.
A lot of powerful strategies I've learned over the years on how do you bring out the best in yourself, how do you bring out your fullest potential, and how do you build a very successful business for yourself. Here's some of the facts. See, everywhere you go in the United States or in Singapore or in Malaysia or in China or even in Vietnam, if you look at the facts, it says this: 40% of businesses fail within the first year. Of 10 companies that start, 4 will fail within the first year. And 80% of businesses fail within the first 5 years. These are national statistics. Singapore, United States, everywhere in the world. Okay? And 90% of businesses fail within the first 10 years. And beyond 10 years. Less than 10%. And less than 1% of businesses become multi-million dollar businesses. They become international businesses. Less than 1%. Okay? So, the question is, what is the difference that makes the difference? What's the difference between the 1% and 99%? What's the difference between the 10% that succeed and 90% that fails? What's the difference? Yeah? So I'd like to ask some of you what you think is the difference. Okay? First of all, is the difference in education? Does that make a difference? So people who succeed in business, is it because they go to better universities? Yes or no? How many of you say yes? Who says no? You're right, it's no. Although education is very important. It's very important to go to a good university. It is important, but it's not enough. I know people who have got master's degrees from Harvard who fail in business. I know people who have got no degrees who succeed in business, right? That's right. Now, has it got to do with luck? Has it got to do with luck? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Okay? I will say yes and no. You see, I believe there are two kinds of luck. There's what I call gambling luck. Gambling luck. Some people have gambling luck. When they go to the casino, they win all the time. Some people have got no gambling luck. Every time they gamble, they lose. Let me tell you something about myself. I've got no gambling luck. Every time I go to the casino, I gamble, I lose money. So I never gamble. I don't have that kind of luck. Some people have it, I don't have it. But it's another kind of luck, we call it business luck. Business luck is different. Business luck is not something you're born with. It's not something that you have. It's something that you do. And in business luck, the harder you work, the more luck you will have. The harder you work, the more luck you have. Okay, and that we can control. Now, has it got to do with this thing called, let's say, your intelligence? Has it got to do with intelligence? Yes? I would say yes. I would say no. Yeah? Good news is intelligence can be learned. The more you learn, the more intelligent you become. Okay? At the end of the day, these are not the most important things. The most important thing that makes a difference is two things. The first thing is what we call the mindset. Right? Now let's say it together so we remember it, okay?